Okay, now we are going to go to ground systems and go on the ground power unit. Once I am off here, see all the lights are gone. Again on the ground power unit. Now the instruments are on. Now I am going to go to road. I am going to start open or ready. Now the fuel tank is ready. Full tanks of fuel. Cargo also 2000 and the passengers 34. If showing ready means they are not ready. You can see the passengers are ready, but they are still boarding. So now I am going to go to I am going to on seatbelt and no smoking and spoke light, navigation lights. Now passengers are boarded. Now I'm going to detail passengers. I am going to detail cargo. Detail floater. Go to system. Hit the pushback. And start up engines. I'm starting number 1. You can use by using the lever you can move the floater like which direction you want. But sometimes it is gonna do it automatically. Now this time I'm doing like that, and I am starting. No. Okay, engine 2 live. Okay, I'm starting this one. I'm starting engine 2. Engine 2 is starting. Okay, the engine 2 was started. Now I am going to off the parking brake and start taxi to runway 1. I am left. Now it's just a short taxiway. If you don't want to do this all the taxiway, then when you're selecting the flight path, when you're taking off, it's going to show runway or gate. You have to select runway so you can directly take off from the runway. Okay, now I'm increasing thrust. Okay, now I have to take the beside taxiway. No. Now I have to take this taxiway to that side. That side taxiway. I'm using rudder to move the plane, but if you want, you can take your device to like which one you want, and you can turn the plane. But now I am using rudder. So I didn't have RFS Pro. If I have RFS Pro, I can talk with ATC. I can play with other players. I can see real-time traffic here. But I don't have RFS Pro, so the full airport is for me only. And if you don't have RFS Pro, you can chat with other players who are playing right now. Okay, now when I get into the sky, I will chat with them. Okay, now I am on the side of the runway. Now I extend flaps to 15. When you extend flaps, the pilot is going to tell flaps. The flaps only. The flaps are in the position for landing, for takeoff. Okay, now I'm going to line up with the runway. Okay, now I line up. Wait, I cannot line up properly. Okay, now I am line up. I'm going to go on the parking brake and now go to carpet view and full speed ahead. Set the throttle for full power. You can see here the engine thrust and then how much 100, 6, so you can see down of the instrument. Now I am using the rudder to stay in the line with stay in the center of the runway. When it says V1, I have to restart. It says rotate V1 or rotate, I have to restart. Now it says rotate, so I restart.
Positive rain.
When it says positive, we have to gear up. And on the autopilot, speed you can see or speed of you can go to autopilot. Now this is how the airport works. Now I'm going to distance flaps to 15. Now flaps to 7. When your speed is above 200 knots, you can fully change the flaps. Now can de-extend. Okay, now the plane can barely the lift. If you don't know where you are flying right now, you go to pause. We'll show where you are going. Now I'm going from Bangkok to Huzhou City in Venice in Vietnam. Now I don't want to do all this flight path, so I'm going to do soft landing, and the plane will go to the soft 5 miles from the landing. 3 minutes from landing. After everything loaded, it will come like this. Click on your screen. It will come like this. On the autopilot, attitude I will see the remaining autopilot.
Gear down.
Reduce to 3 gear speed. After reducing to 3 gear speed, extend flap to slow down the plane.
1500.
Going to set your attitude. If you move the rudder also, the rudder will not move due to autopilot. If you off it and move it, it's gonna move. Okay, now I am going to extend flaps to 20.
Flaps.
I'm going to the nose up so the speed can reduce. I'm going to all seat belt and no smoking. And all the right instead of
400. Approaching minimums. 300. Minimums. 200.
after heading or the plane will turn left or right.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
So the plane went on go. Now I'm going to quick flight and reward so I can do the landing perfectly again. So it restarted. Now I'm clicking on the screen and everything is geared down. 18 reset gear down, flap 15 heading, the speed was there. Now I am going to wait. Now I am going to descend.
1,000.
Now my altitude is 1000. 1 mile from the airport, you have to after heading. If you are above runway and the heading altitude is heading autopilot is on, means again it will turn on left or right. Now I am going to off it.
400. Approaching minimums.
When you are at 500 feet, you have to off it. If you don't off, and the speed it will off it, you will off, turn it off automatically after you landed.
30. 20.
I am going to use the other to stay on the runway, stay on the center of the runway.
10.
Why is not descending, I don't know.
20.
I don't have spoilers, only I have the
Flaps.
max brakes. Now I am landed, everything is set. I am on the heading, you can see there's the speed autopilot is off. Now I stopped fully and I will shut down engine. Okay, now I'm going to quit the fight. Okay friends, this is the today's video, how to try to land at Cessna 340. Now okay, now if you like this video, like and subscribe, and if you want to see like this video, so other about all the videos about other topics, and subscribe to Smart Exit videos, and comment how this video is, how is this video. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video.